Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be playing with my slime. Not very stretchy. And guess what kind of slime this is, guys? Okay, comment down below. Pause it and comment down below what kind of slime you think it is. Don't cheat. It's the slime. It's a brand new slime. Let's add some lotion to it to fix it.
In the backcourt, Harrell is out there with Hollis Jefferson, and it's Allen in at the 5, home in the paint. Russell does that. Often modern NBA players will get criticized for not being sound enough with their fundamentals.
It's also going to make it smell good.
I really don't. I think it's a bit of an overreach. You know, we
Smells like coconut.
in this history. Things were always better in our past than they are currently. I mean, the stories get better as we get older is one of the ways I've heard it framed. I think the players are more athletic because they played growing up in more structured environments. I think sometimes they don't get the same nuances and
hands are all like
for the game that you would get from just playing organic. But I still think fundamentally the players are quite good. I do think that's a bit of a reach as a sweeping statement that they're not as sound.
Comment down below how much lotion you're supposed to put in this thing.
It feels like it.
I know how to make slime, but I just don't know how much lotion to put in. It's getting there. I have to go wash my hands. No, I'm not gonna wash my hands just in case.
And I like seeing everybody take quality shots. LeVert doing just that.
It's not that stretchy for me, so I might just put a little bit more.
They're in a hurry. I think
That's good.
Kevin, they're rushing things a little bit to begin the half. Nothing pretty about this one.
That's so cool, guys. Look. Oh no. Pot. Or guys, just tell me if it feels like that one. Put some lotion in it. Tell me.
Now it's a 3-point Brooklyn lead. Toronto calls time.
Whoa. Sticky. The way I wanted it. Stretchy. Whoa. It's a good slime.
You know, he's naturally a scoring point guard, is D'Angelo Russell, fellow Buckeye.
Whoa.
But I like the stride I've seen from him in creating for others. I mean, he can break it down.
I want to add a little bit more. Because I want it like a stickier slime. I like it. It's so thick. Oh, it popped. That's my fault.
All broken down for the Raptors. And one thing they can definitely improve on is their work from three-point range, especially from the corner. So that's an area before that has been a black hole for them this season. If they can start to get some points.
This is turning into like a slime. Except for like it jiggles. Some slime jiggles, some slime doesn't. I need to get the same size. Whatever. I'm gonna get my chair, guys. Like the chair right here. That I can sit on. There.
And that one goes in. 2 from the line that time.
Whoa.
Probably as close to a short king as you can have.
you hear that noise, that's just my stepdad playing his game. See in the background? Right there on the TV. Whoa. Now the slime finally makes bubbles. It's so stretchy. I love it. I could play with it like every day. And subscribe, give me a big, huge thumbs up. And try to smash that bell button with your nose. And then when you subscribe, please hit that bell because, oops,
Yeah, you trying to start live if you're not gonna be in.
because
Hurry up.
you will be notified every single time I make a video. Oh, I think 2 days ago I made a video. It was an ASMR video. Check that out of the last video. Pat. Look. Okay. It popped. Hold up. Let me make another one. The slime makes good bubbles.
Now here's Cram. Guarded closer. Is Grant in the corner. Passes it to Whitehead. Feeds
Can you
to
see?
Grant. 4 on the
Not
clock.
that sticky. Oh, it popped. Didn't even notice that. He just paused his game. I love doing that. It's not just a slime. A very good slime. Guys, can you see that?
Ball a little long.
You must make that, even with the defense present. These are shots you have to finish.
Look at my room slime. Feels sticky to me because lotion's on my hand. Well, it's like liquid. It's a light green, guys, now. Here's a dark green. Look, this compared to this. Think so much? No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go wash my hands. And I'll be right. Hold up, I'm gonna put this slime in. Oh, it didn't work out. Be greater than this. Looks so sticky. Put it, that be.
Fourth quarter still young, just over a minute play. We got DeRozan. Bogdanovich out there with Ibaka.
I'm back.
And it's
That was
Turtle
fast.
with the 5 down low.
Okay. I was actually scared because I thought it was going to spit out. This is a good slime.
Pokes away.
Doesn't actually stick to me. Woo! Oh, that was cool.
Rebounded by the Nets.
Now let's see if we can go in there now. There.
Hollis
Go.
Jefferson's got 3 rebounds now in this one.
Go.
Grab the pass to Russell.
No.
Pass to LeVert.
No, 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 no.
To Craig. To take the lead. Hits the 3-point bomb. And the Nets lead by 2. There is just no way to tell who is going to pull this one out.
When they had this many name changes, you're looking to see which one of those is going to be a momentum swing.
Oh no.
On two for
Oh
two,
no.
2-point land to start the fourth quarter.
Glad I brought
Outside
this.
the arc. Good, and it's Russell picking up the assist. Crabs got 6 points in the quarter.
The ball movement on this
Oh,
one has been fantastic.
I could use that.
Part why they've been able to
Okay,
get
okay.
look.
That idea.
DJ pitches to Vernal. Screen by Ibaka.
Okay.
DeRozan kicks to Bogdanovich. Clock at 6. And oh, out of
Whoa.
contact there, but he gets the ball and will shoot 2. That's on D'Angelo Russell.
Oh no.
Like how committed he
There's
is
a
in
lot of
this
slime.
defensive position now. He's going to
I think I made it a little bit too sticky. I didn't even recognize that.
Owens checking for the next.
Comment down below how you fix your slime.
Nah, don't put that slime in no places.
Forget the LOL doll.
Don't put it in no places.
Okay. No.
Yeah, we go play with your toys. Play your toys too.
Nope, I want some too.
Mom asked you if you wanted some, you said no. Go play with your toys,
No, I
Daddy.
said yes.
Out to Russell.
No, Patrick, I
The
said
vacuum, you're gonna break it.
Just 5 on the clock.
no, I said yes.
Well, she would have got it for you if you said yes.
Launches it.
I don't even have that much.
Hero standing through. Rebound on the night. There's
Spread
the
out.
3. At the line. Allen gets there.
So stretchy.
And the foul called on DJ. That's his 3rd foul of the game. Andre Hollis Jefferson, he's checked in for Brooklyn.
Get me.
1:49 left here in the 4th quarter. So the whistle blows on the shot and 2 free throws for the contact right there.
No question he got bumped on that shot. Man, the officials didn't need to talk that one over. Solid.
And the Bucks will look at the hustle stats for the Nets.
You've seen them make the extra effort from a defensive standpoint, closing out.
Hurry before this. Oh no. It's coming off. No. Come on, kill me. It's all in there. Like this. Oops. Hold up, guys. Okay. There you go. How do you fix that? Dude, how do you fix it? Hold up, guys. I'm trying to see it. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay. Oop. Might just put lotion on my hands. So, might not stick to me. Nope, still sticks. Oh my god, hold on, okay guys, I guess that ends for the video. So, bye!